Hey everyone, Miss Fan and Fangs. Just wanted to do a quick video of this little bub that's hatched out. It's a baby smooth knobtail gecko. I was hatching it out for a friend. So this little one's arrived in the world, and it's got one other clutch mate that's still yet to come out. So I thought I'd do a quick video. Pretty cute. It's amazing, you can see it next to the egg that's yet to hatch, and just to think that they're all squashed up inside there, it's incredible that they fit in those eggs. So I've just got a small container, going to Gecko, really good dude, and pop him into a little container until my friend can come and pick it up. I'll pop it back into the incubator so there's nice steady temps. And in a few days we'll start eating. Alright, just wanted to share, so thanks for watching.